We decided to hit the beach, and I had the perfect trifecta of breakfast of champions. Honestly, these gummy clusters get an S tier no matter what color they are. They be bussin'. The sour strips, I was actually really let down. I really liked the red ones when I did my red food challenge, so I was stoked to try these ones, but they were pretty bad, to be honest. For sure. And the blue Takis were alright. I really like Takis, but the normal ones are definitely better than these ones. So B tier, B for blue. So I actually ended up being a pretty mid breakfast, which was a bummer because I had to go straight to work after this and my stomach was doing backflips. Blue flips?